Dressmaker 7000. The JB weld has set for a bit on this rotted out white metal casting for the feed dogs. The feed dogs are rising the right way, so I pinned them in place to help keep that fix working. And then I found a new issue. You can see as I'm gently trying to wiggle the lower part of the machine back and forth, that there shouldn't be that much motion in this mechanism. It is not linked to the cam tightly, and when the machine sews, it has an uneven stitch because it's not maintaining the correct hook and needle gap as this lower mechanism wobbles around. So that's the next problem with this machine, which explains why it was in the junk heap, because so many issues. So I discovered the issue, and I can't get a pointer in there. This is the back of the machine. This hole is covered by the spool pins, and you can see there's a pin in there, and that pin, when I wiggle it back and forth, that pin is supposed to be holding the top of the motion link to get the zigzag motion into the bottom of the machine, and that pin has pulled most of the way out, so I am going to see about tapping that back in place and see if tapping that roll pin back in place is enough to take that wobble out of the lower mechanism. Because if we can't get that wobble out of the lower mechanism, the machine will never stitch properly because it can't maintain a steady gap from the needle to the hook. Dressmaker 7000, I put JB weld all over this bracket, and then I did drill and pin it. And that is raising the feed dogs correctly. And then we were in top back looking at that pin that seemed to be loose, and when I tightened that up, it significantly reduced this side-to-side wobble. So the machine is stitching much better now, and seems to be working perfectly.